Imagine a world where IT operations run seamlessly with minimal human intervention. AI is making this a reality by automating routine tasks and offering actionable insights, revolutionizing how businesses operate. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI-driven monitoring tools are the unsung heroes, detecting anomalies before they escalate into failures. This proactive approach ensures business continuity and minimizes downtime, keeping operations smooth and efficient. Explore tools like Amazon CloudWatch and AWS Systems Manager, which enhance IT efficiency. These AI solutions streamline processes, ensuring your IT infrastructure is always at its best. AI-driven chatbots are transforming IT support, offering quick resolutions and improving user experience. Meanwhile, AI enhances security by detecting threats and automating compliance audits, safeguarding your data. Begin with a clear strategy to identify IT challenges AI can address. Integrate AI with existing systems for seamless operations, ensuring a smooth transition to AI-driven solutions. Adopt a data-driven approach to enhance AI model accuracy. By leveraging high-quality data, you can improve insights and make informed decisions, optimizing your IT strategy. Regularly update AI models to adapt to changing environments and threats. Training IT teams on AI adoption ensures better decision-making and maximizes the benefits of AI-driven solutions. Embrace AI-driven IT solutions for greater agility, security, and reliability. By doing so, you'll enhance your IT operations, positioning your business for success in the digital age.